Welcome my friends, it's Yuri. Let's start our weekly market outlook. I would like to share with you my thoughts about major instrument, especially about Bitcoin halving. Right now push like and share this stream with your friends. And few seconds I would like to also to tell to other members, join our stream. Few seconds. Join our stream, friends. At this moment, when I write to all our members, write please about quality of sound and video. If that good, it would be a good signal that we can continue and we can start a free weekly market outlook. Okay, good. My friends, type into a chat. My friends, type into a chat about. Yes, I see you here. Type please about quality of video and sound. Also, write a few words about yourself, where you're from, what market you trade, and what instrument would you like me to analyze. And let's go to Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving. As you can see, many of you can learn about Bitcoin halving. Here is a timer, and you can see that in 3 days, 15 hours, there would be halving. What does it mean for all of us? How can we make money on it? That's the main topic of this webinar. Also, those of you who do not have a link on our Telegram channel, here's a link on our Telegram channel. Open it and subscribe. And also, my friends, here is a link on our crypto channel. Open it and subscribe, because you will get notification about our trading ideas which you can trade on these days. Okay, a few seconds. Croatia here trying to trade indexes and few forex pairs. Good, it's awesome. Write please what strategy do you use on these markets, and what are you looking here, Jen? Write please what are you looking here. I'm from Iceland. I trade indexes, DAX, Nasdaq, Dow, gold, and forex pairs, and all index pairs mostly. Good, friends. When you write your market, please also write what are you looking for here. What would be interesting for you to hear from me, because that's the best point on which I can pay attention. We will wait few minutes, one additional minutes, and after that we will start. I'm from Iceland, trade indexes, DAX. Good. Friends, type into the chat what instruments you would like to see. I use key levels and false breakout. And what and how can I help you right now? I'm from trade forex space and crypto. Good. About Bitcoin halving, I think many of you heard about that stuff, about that news, and how it can influence on all other markets, and how can we make money on it. I think for a start it's important to open Bitcoin price, because why? Because you need to understand that halving, it is a good place for big players to accumulate volume. As you can see, other days volume increased, here volume increased, and here volume increased. That means I think big players accumulate a position. And what you need to understand, after this powerful drop, the price were from 20 March, few seconds, I think my picture must be lower, smaller. My friends, last week took shift when it came at key level. Good, awesome, man, awesome. I recently came upon price action term and trying to recognize pullbacks, and mostly just okay. Why does markets always tend to move into opposite direction when there are example bullish news, and then the market drops, which is so irrelevant? You need to understand, market moved by big players, not by news. Only those guys. Example for you, JP Morgan. Take a look, it's one of the biggest bonds, JP Morgan Chase bank. Where is the assets? Take a look, 2.687 trillions assets. Goldman Sachs nearly 1 trillion assets. My friend, there are so many big banks, big companies which has trillions under their management. Only such companies can move the instrument, only such companies. That's why please stop believing in some shit like news and learn how to read price action. Okay, once more about Bitcoin, what I would like to share with you, my friends. As you can see, in most cases, before Bitcoin made some pullback, there were parabolic uprise, as you can see. And also here, it was a parabolic uprise. At this moment, I do believe that big players would create some trap, and only after that will start uprise, will start a powerful uprise. Why? Because just imagine, here, from 19 March till 20 March, the price were in this range, in this accumulation. Just imagine how many retail traders could open buy position in that area. And do you believe that big players will allow all of them make money in trading? Do you believe in that fairy tale? To be honest, I personally don't believe in such things. And what can I tell you, my friends? I do believe that there could be additional powerful drop, and only after that price will start uprise. I would personally will open buy entry only if there would be a drop at least into this area. Why? Because only from this area I will have really very low predictable risk, and rise up even to 10,000. For me it will means I can make 200%, something like that. That's why at this moment I do not recommend you to open buy position, because price at this moment didn't show buy position. Take a look on this bigger volume. After this uprise, as you can see, big volume. What does it mean? That the huge possibility Bitcoin will continue down drop. I think about it. That's before halving there would be a down drop. And also take a look Bitcoin halving. Bitcoin halving. When you would take a look on Bitcoin halving and open sub chart, you would see that. Take a look here. As you can see, after every Bitcoin halving, price didn't start uprise dramatically. The price didn't start uprise dramatically after in 1 minute. I would like to find some example from TradingView, because for us it would be easier. Bitcoin halving TradingView. Take a look here. Bitcoin Bank. I hope you see this. My friends, once more, if you would take a look on this Bitcoin halving pictures, you would see that Bitcoin, after every halving, there were a time when price didn't make a powerful uprise. Bitcoin halving TradingView. Few seconds. I would like to find some ideas of some offers. Take a look. Bitcoin halving December, and after that only in June, in 1 month, price started uprise. Take a look here. Bitcoin halving July 16. As you can see, before news, the price started uprise, and after that at halving, price dropped on 30%, something like that. And only, as you can see, halving June, and only in October the price started uprise. Why do you think there would be something different? Why do you think that current situation would be completely different for all of us? That's why once I do believe that there could be before halving, I do believe that there could be a bigger pullback, and only after that the price will make powerful uprise. That's why once more for you, if there would be a drop into this area, it would be best place to open buy, because we will have low predictable risk. And also, when you pay attention to mathematical expectancy, take a look here. If you open buy here with goal before this key level, you can make 20%. But if you open buy here with such goal, you can make 180%. That's a magic of it's numbers magic. It's a magic of proper entry plays. That's all. Friends, type into a chat, is it clear about Bitcoin? Maybe some of you have additional questions. Type into a chat, I'll help to you. Also, at this moment, open my YouTube channel and subscribe, because you will get notification about all our useful lessons. Take a look, Bitcoin. You can open our YouTube channel and you can find all these lessons which we recorded and share with you for free about my trading strategy, key levels, ATR, false breakout, and all other topics which will change your trading approach dramatically. Just open it and subscribe. It's for free. Hi bro, hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm good. I'm completely good. Friends, I don't see your feedback about Bitcoin. Type it into a chat. After your feedback about Bitcoin, I wonder if one index, for example, goes or down very rapidly. Is that purely a result of his individual calculation of stocks value, or can it be playing the index directly to move it? Once more, you need to understand, price can rise only when someone buy it. That's only one reason how price can rise. That's all. And when you see that some index rise up, that means someone buy it or someone close sell position. Because in my course, I explain to all people that when someone's close sell position, it also buy. Excellent lesson, you have wise analysis, thank you. Yes, you're welcome. Friends, only one feedback about Bitcoin, friends. Right now, type a feedback about Bitcoin, what you think. And open YouTube channel and subscribe. Okay, let's go to major currency pairs, and after that, I will answer on all your questions. Okay, let's start with major currency pairs. Euro USD, like I told to many of you, the price still in this range. Take a look. Price in this range, as you can see, it's also this key level. Take a look. We can take this level from this place. At this moment, I do not recommend you to open any trades, because only after breakdown of this there could be good accurate entry. British pound today already dropped down 1 ATR. At this moment, price inside of this range, and at this moment there is no entry. At this moment there is no entry, but technically if there would be breakdown of this key level, it would be good sell opportunity. It would be it will show to us that the price will drop down far more. Canadian, the price made false breakout of this key level, but I do believe that if there would be breakup of this key level, something like this, we will be able to open buy entry. That would be the best for all of us. Australia, Japanese yen. Better to pay attention on Japanese yen currently, because Japanese yen is the most accurate one. And if you would take a look, also we published an idea on TradingView. You can open our TradingView page and subscribe. About Japanese yen, as you can see, the price broke up this trend line. Huge possibility that the price will continue up price, and in this moment there is nothing to do for all of us. If there would be a pullback tomorrow, we will be able to open accurate entry, because take a look, Japanese yen today already rose up 1 ATR. Price average daily move last 15 days 61 pips, and price already rose up 98 pips. And I hope tomorrow there would be a pullback, because that would be maybe one of the best entries which we can make these days, because as you can see we have this key level, and first goal from this place it would be that level. It is at least 250 pips, and second goal could be this key level, and second goal could be even nearly 500 pips. That's why Japanese yen, to be honest with all of you, looks the best at this moment. Yuri, sometimes it is difficult to recognize pullbacks. In some cases, I think I see a pullback, but then the price does not rise. Alvaro, you need to understand that it depends. It depends how many pips price moved up. Also it depends, did the instrument accumulate enough energy for its move. it depends on many conditions, especially preconditions. I teach all of that stuff on my course and you can open my course, write to my team and ask about educational course. That would help you to change it dramatically. Okay, and the next one, Euro British Pound. My friends, price in the range. I will not spend a lot of time on it. Price in the range, nothing to do. British Pound, Japanese yen. British Pound, Japanese yen, we have this key level, as you can see. And what else do we have? As you can see, price approached today, made false breakout. Really accurately priced, hit it, take a look here. Currently, till price above this key level, it is a bullish picture. If there would be a breakdown and false breakout, that would be awesome sell entry for all of us. That's all. Euro Japanese yen, the price made false breakout from low of 2017. Currently there could be a price even bigger. First goal would be this key level. Before this key level, if you open entry, you need to close part of position. And about gold trend line, made false breakout of the trend line today. Long-term trend on gold up, short-term trend up. I think after such accumulations there could be a uprise, because you can see that in most cases gold always after accumulation, gold always started its uprise. There could be the same at this moment. And about oil currently, as you can see this key level, oil currently approached to this key level slowly, really slowly. And if price will approach also to this key level, will create such triangle, there would be good entry after breakout. There would be good breakout entry with goal at least before this key level. My friends, type into a chat, hi, I'm not sure if I joined a Telegram channel managed by you or some. Yes, Valerie is my assistant. Please, if you want to join my VIP channel, here take a look. Here is my Telegram ID, Yuri. Please write to me personally in my use this Telegram ID. You will write to me personally and ask all questions. I will send contacts to my team. What time do you expect to come down to this region, days or weeks? Explain please, Flo, explain what instrument do you mean? Will increase BTC price or down after halving? Reza, did you see what happened before every halving? I told you that after every halving, the price were in a range for a few weeks. In some cases, there were even drop. I believe that at this moment there will be a pullback. Only after that there will be a price. Only after that. Friends, type into the chat all questions which you have about Bitcoin and other instruments. Type into the chat what instruments would you like me to analyze. Also, some of you ask me about VIP signal, something like that. What can you do? Below every video, you can get our Telegram and our contacts, and you can write to my team and ask about VIP signals, about education, about account management on profit sharing basis. That's why right now you can write to my team and ask all the questions. Will increase Bitcoin price up or down? Also, my friends, if you want to get all signals about Bitcoin when we will buy it in the future, you should join our VIP signals room, because there we will send a place when we personally will open buy on Bitcoin, because when we will buy, we will invest into Bitcoin without leverage, just buy and hold. Type into a chat what instruments would you like me to analyze. What instruments would you like me to analyze? That's why about oil. Currently oil looks bullish. I hope there would be accurate key level. When price will approach to key level, there would be a limit level, and after that price will break it up. That would be the best signal of buy. My friends, I don't see a feedback from you in a chat. What do you mean about Bitcoin? I analyzed Bitcoin in the beginning of this stream. Okay. Also, I will tell you a few words about another cryptocurrency pairs like Ethereum, Ripple, and after that, if there will be no questions, we will finish this webinar. Take a look about Ethereum, ETH USD. As you can see, the price accumulation, break it down, daily candle close. I think if there would be a pullback, it would be awesome entry. Take a look, same. Accumulation, drop down, retest, and accurate entry. I think this situation could be the same. Litecoin, also accumulation, breakdown. If there would be a pullback, it would be awesome entry. Ripple, the same, accumulation, breakdown. All of these cryptocurrency pairs, as you can see, all of them just follow Bitcoin. All of them, huge correlation, too big correlation. Only this Chainlink is separate from this currency pairs. Take a look, accumulation, drop down. I think that would be continue. Bitcoin Cash. After this powerful drop, it didn't pull back. That's why it's something wrong with that instrument. EOS, the same. EOS. As you can see, EOS also accumulation, down drop. Cardano, accumulation, also I think that would be a down drop. All of these cryptocurrency pairs, they just follow a Bitcoin. That's what I think. They just follow Bitcoin. What about British pound Japanese yen? My friend, I told about British pound Japanese yen. After this webinar, you will be able to see it. Are trustable some those sites that trade for us? They give us, for example, to us, and they are scam. My friend, no one will give you a profit just because you're a good person. It is not those market when you can get it. I do not recommend you to trust such people. I recommend you to, when you work with someone on profit, with account management, that must be on profit share basis, because there are a lot of people who will promise you like 100%, 1000%, but what you need to understand, sometimes it's impossible to make such huge percent without any risk. To be honest, yes, I can make 100% even today, but there are possibilities that there would be blowout, and those people, they work like when you give your account under management, some accounts they make 100%, on some accounts they blew out. When they make 100%, they split profit. When accounts which they blew out, they just say that market has changed. I have a question. Why you want teaching people this when your is not okay? I wanted too long, but there is some more downside. Right? Go over, bitch, please. Okay. Okay, that's all, my friends. And about Bitcoin, once more, what I would like to tell you about Bitcoin. If you currently huge possibility that Bitcoin will continue down drop. That's all. My friends, if you do not have any additional questions at this moment, best what you can do is to push like and subscribe on my YouTube channel. That's all. Because about cryptocurrency pairs, I just told you what can happen. That's all. That's all. About my VIP Signal channel, please write to my teams. I will send you all the information. You will get all feedbacks, you will get statements, and you will see all real information. About those people, I did not... Thank you, Yuri. Have a nice week. Yes, you're welcome. Have a nice week. Have a good day, my friends. And when you have some questions, write to my teams. I will send you all the information. Bye.